Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Okay, in this video I am going to explain the feature of the our plugins WP post widget. Okay, basically using post widget you can add any custom post type post in your widget website sidebar. Okay, so first let me install our plugins WP post widget. Okay, so you can see there are lots of plugins, so it will not easy to find. You can just change the keyword author and WPEX WP experts in. Okay, so you can get all our plugins here. You need to just WP expert in without any space. So this is our WP post widget. Okay, in this we have given to show the comment, define the widget title, custom post type. You can include or exclude any specific post. You can define the order of the post. You can define the post content limit. Okay, and you can define the display number of the post, how many posts you want to publish in your website. Okay, so let me install it. Okay, plugin is successfully installed and now I'm going to activate it. Yeah, plugin is now activated. Okay, so let me find the widget on the widget page. Okay, so you can see there are many default WordPress widgets are already there, so we have need to find our widget, this WP post widget. This is basically our plugin widget. Okay, so I am going to add this and blog. Okay, recent post. By default here title is showing recent post, so we have given here option to hide the title. You can choose any custom post type to publish your post. Okay, and same way here you can see all the posts from here. If you want to include, then you need to choose. If you want to show only selected post in the widget, then you can choose the include select option from drop down, and then you can select multiple post by press Ctrl and mouse. With the help of the Control key and mouse, you can select the multiple posts from here. Okay, and same way if you want to exclude, if you don't want to exclude few posts only. Okay, if you want to publish all the posts except only few posts, then in that case you have need to choose the post from here. Okay, we have given an option to define the ordering of the post: id, date, title, menu order, random, modified, comment, count, default. Okay, so you can choose any one of them. In same way under order drop down you can see ascending, descending, or default option. So okay, and number of posts you can define a number of posts here. By default the number of posts will be show on 5 top posts. Okay, content limit, you can define the content limit. By default we have given 150 keywords the content limit. Okay, show featured image, if you want to enable the show featured image for post, then you can check this box. Show comment count, if you want to show comment count and content, then you can check this box. And hide date, if you want to hide published date for any post, for posts, then you can select this option. Okay, so let me show you how it will look on this one. Recent post, you can see recent post from here. Okay, basically we have created these posts dynamically from our WP importer plugin. So these are showing here: title and date. This content we have given only 110, and read more options here. Okay, so let me show you how this. Let me explain. Like I have select the hide title, so in that case the title will be auto hide. Okay, and if you don't want to hide title, then you can uncheck this box. Okay, and if you want to hide, like I don't want to show these posts. Okay, and I want to order by, show the post order by ID, means the last created post will be shown top of the post. Okay, so you can see the exclude date post has been gone from here, and they are showing only latest created post here. Okay, so in same way, if you want to define 200 post content limit, I have increased the content limit. Now it's showing to increase content limit is going to increase. Okay, and by default it's 150. If you did not define anyone, then it will take 150. Okay, and here I have given ascending, descending. Okay, like example, if you want to order by title, and if you select the ascending, okay, then see A B C, the post is coming in ABC format. And same way, if you want, you will select descending order, then it will be auto WUS. Okay, so you can choose these settings as per your requirement. I am going to set it by default. Okay, show featured image. As you can see, currently there are not any post are showing here. Okay, featured image is not showing here, so I will select the featured image here, then it will start to show the featured image as well. Okay, these are the featured image, so these are showing featured image as well. Okay, if I will define want to show only two top posts, two recent posts, then it will return the two posts only. Okay, so there are, you have given a lots of feature, you can easily manage from backend. Okay, and same show comment count, it will show the comment, how many comment posted on your post. Okay, if you want hide the title, then in that case let me refresh. Yeah, date is on. So if you don't want to hide, if you don't want to publish the date with post, then you can check this box, otherwise by default it will be published automatically. Okay, for example, I have selected this one and this one. Okay, so you can see all posts are loading here. Okay, please note, after select the post type, you have when you will change the post type here, then you will need to click on save button. Okay, otherwise the page will not load. Okay, so after the change any custom post type, you must have need to click on saved button. Okay, so you can see here pages are showing here. Okay, so I have explained all the settings of this plugins. You can use it on your website, and you can publish any custom post type posts within using our widget. Okay, here is very, we have used the hooks of the WordPress to create this plugin, so there are not any heavy code. It's very lightweighted plugins, it will not affect your website. You can use it as on your website. Okay, So guys, now tutorial for the WP post widget is over, and I hope you all is clear for you. If you have any doubt, if any question, and if you want to give any suggestion to improve our plugins, then you can leave your comment in video comment box. Okay, and I will share the download links in comment in video description box as well, so you can download our plugins directly access the download link. Okay, so bye guys, take care. I will come back again with new video.